Hi, welcome to lesson 2. In this lesson, we're going to learn how the letters are written in different positions of the word, as we have 3 positions, which are at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Let's jump to the whiteboard and explain this. The Arabic letters, all the Arabic letters, when we write it inside a word, all of them are connected, except for 6 letters. We're going to know them. Other than these 6 letters, now let's see how could we write each letter inside a word, because it differs according to its position in the word, at the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word. Now, the first group is ba, ta, sa, and also ya and noon. All of them comes at the beginning of the word like this, okay? And in this part, in order not to confuse between them, to get confused in between them, you need to know which letter has 1 dot or 2 dots or 3 dots at the top or down. Now, remember, ba, 1 dot down, ta, 2 dots up, sa, 3 dots up, ya, 2 dots down, noon, 1 dot up. Now, usually when you see something like this, you confuse between noon, this is noon, and zal. Do you remember zal? We said it's like this, right? So what's the difference between them? The difference is zal is one of the 6 letters that is not in a connected form. We're going to explain this in a minute. Now let's see this group of letters, how it comes in the middle of the word. Exactly the same like at the beginning, except that they connect to the previous letter from this tail. So this is ba, connected to the previous from this tail, and this is ta connected to the previous from this tail, and this is sa, ya, and noon. Now, at the end of the letters, we have 2 kind of ending letters or ending words. Maybe you have the letter at the end and connected from this tail and maybe separated, right? Do you remember the first lesson? We studied the letters in a default form. The default form is the form that the letter comes at the end of the word and is not connected to the previous letter, okay? Which is this form in this column, okay? So, this is ba at the end connected from this tail. And also, I didn't write ta and sa and ta and sa because it's the same, you know, alif, ba, ta, sa. So, ba, exactly, you will find ta like ba, so also sa. So, this is noon, you know, connected from this tail, and this is ya. Now, ya is different, it becomes like a swan connected to the previous letter from this tail. And this is also at the end. You will find ba like this, and ta like this, and sa like this, okay? And then noon, this is noon, and then ya. The second group is gim. This is gim. Do you remember the belly of gim? No, we erase it. So this is Gim, Ha, Kha, and this one, it's not Hamza, it's Ain. Do you remember Ain that was like this? Here at the beginning, it'll be like this, and you don't need this belly. And also Ghain. Okay. Now, in the middle, it's the same like at the beginning, except for the tail from here, and also connected to the next one from here. Okay, because it's in the middle. Now this one also here, I didn't mention it. So now I mentioned it. Okay. Now the difference here, Ain and Ghain, it's not written like this in the middle. No, it becomes like this. So this is Ain, and Ghain, it's not written like this. Usually we write it like this. Okay. Now, at the end of the word, connected, you will find Gim, Ha, Kha, like this one. And you'll find Ain and Ghain connected from this tail, and then you do like this. Okay. Now, in not connected form, you will see it separated like this. Ain, this is Gim, Ha, Kha. You will find it like this, and Ghain and Ain, you will find it like this. This one. Okay. The next group, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Ta, Za. So this is Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Ta, and Za. In the middle, this is Sin connected from here and here. Shin, here and here, and Sod, and Dod, and Ta, Za. Now, at the end of the word, you will see Sin like it somehow like the default form, but connected from this tail, and Shin also. And this is Sad, and usually Ta and Za exactly the same, like this. And in a separated form, this is exactly the default that we studied at the beginning lesson. So this is Shin. You will find Sin and Shin like each other, and you will find Sad and Dad like each other, and Ta and Za like each other. Now the next group is Fa. This is Fa, and this is Qaf, and this is Lam, and this is Mim. Fa, Qaf, Lam, Mim. In the middle, it will be like this. Do you remember? I'm sorry. Do you remember Lam and Qaf? Qaf, it was like a circle like this. You go like arc, like this. And Lam, you go down like this. Now, it's like 90-degree angle, okay? A vertical. طيب. Now, this is Fa in the middle, connected from this tail, and this tail, and this is Qaf from this tail, and this tail, and this is Lam. So at the beginning it was like this. Now it becomes in the middle, so we need a tail. We need this and this. And this is Mim, connected from here and here. Now, at the end form, this is Fa, and this is Qaf, and this is Lam, and this is Mim. In a separated form, this is Fa, the default. Now we come back to the default. Qaf, Mim, and Lam. The last letter we have today is ha. So this is ha at the beginning. And this is ha in the middle. It's like 8 in English, connected from this tail and from this tail. And at the end of the word, you will find ha like this, connected from this tail. And ha separated, you will find it like this. So the 6 letters are Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zai, and Waw. What about those 6 letters? We say that those 6 letters, they can connect to the previous letter, but the one after, no. It must be separated from the one after. Like here, for example, this is a word. This is a word. The first letter is Alif. Now, after it, there is a gap. Why? Because it cannot be connected to the letter after. So here, there is a gap. Now, maybe you will find Alif is connected to the previous letter like this. This is Ba, and this is Alif. They are connected here and here, okay? The second one is Dal. So it can be connected from here, but here, no. So that's why you will find a gap here. And this is Dal. So that's why you see here a gap. And also Zal. Zal, here, there's a gap. And here, there's a gap because Zal, this one, is this one. And we said the letter after, no, it's not connected. Now, Ra, also, here, a gap, and here, a gap. Despite the fact that Ra, this one, is connected from here, but here is separated from the one after. And also Zai, okay, connected from here, but separated here because here there's a gap. And the last one is Waw. So there is a gap here. Here, it's connected to the one from the one previous, but the one after, no, it must be a gap. Okay. So again, Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zai, Waw. You must know it is separated from the one after, not the one previous. This is for lesson 2, and see you in lesson 3. Thanks for watching.